Hi, I'm Brandy, and today we're going to be unboxing my January 2019 Tonymoly bundle. Tonymoly does monthly bundles, except for December, they didn't do one, that offers a variety of their stuff, usually for a discounted price at a really good value and a really high return of investment, and also new items. So it's been pretty cool. I picked this box because a lot of the items I needed. So there's always that. But let's check it out. There we go. Oops. Alright. So basically these are new items by Tonymoly. Refreshing I'm green tea gel eye patch, and I'm red wine gel eye patch, firming and refreshing. So these are new items that they have, new eye masks. Natural aroma eucalyptus mask sheet. This is really cute. The Choc green tea watery special kit has the toner, it has the essence and the cream, so that's really nice. And I have tried this Choc series before and I really liked it. It's good for my oily, acne prone skin because it's really light but also super soothing. The green tea is just really nice for my skin. Let's see what else. Ooh, UV Master Vital Sun Stick. I'm really excited about this. I want to try some K-Beauty sunblock because I think they might be a little bit more to my liking than the American kind, just because I really don't like the greasy feel that I feel like I get with American sunblock. And so I'm going to tell you guys, I don't use sunblock. And when I got my last facial and dermaplaning, I got ruined by my esthetician. So I have been trying to use my sunblock every day, so that it's not, you know, you're getting things done, you don't want it to go to waste. Basically, I love these little fruit lip balms. So this one's an apple. I'm avocado hand cream. Let me move all this up so you can see it all in the frame. Okay, these are all really cool. So I've done several things where you saw my Vita 12, and it was like orange and like a vitamin C serum. So these are their new lines. They're brand new. They're different ampoules. So this is Vital Vita Firming Ampoule. This is A. And then this one's Vital 12 Brightening Ampoule, B12. And this one's Moisture Ampoule, B8. And this one is Synergy Ampoule, C. So that's the one that I've shown before, the Synergy. And then this one's the Calming Ampoule, B5. So that is really cool because then you have these little tiny ampoules and you don't waste on a big giant bottle that you may only use for certain occasions. It's just a nice little sampling, and I really, really like that. And then I don't think I got any samples. I think I just got stickers, which is cool because I keep these for my pen pals. So this box here was $37 and it's worth $91, so almost a 300% return of investment. And that's one of the reasons I like Tonymoly. Number one, you get to see what you're getting before. Number two, it's usually a pretty high return of investment, and you get to try some new items that in smaller quantities that you may not have been able to try before. So I definitely recommend keeping an eye out for the Tonymoly bundles. This one's January 2019. I will leave a link below. It should be ready or still be available for at least a couple more weeks in January of 2019. So check it out. And as always, please comment if you have any ideas or thoughts. Please like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.